Imagine walking through Tokyo's high-end fashion district and finding something that refuses to blend in. For the kind of person who seeks art over assembly line fashion, a quiet shift is happening. A bold creative brand from Shanghai called UOOYAA has quietly slipped into Ginza Six. But there is a deeper mystery here. How did a label known for eccentric, playful designs manage to capture the attention of Japan's most demanding luxury collectors? And where are they going next? This isn't just about clothes. It's about a specific presence. In Harajuku, the brand attracted a younger, tourist-heavy crowd. But the new Ginza Six space reveals something entirely different. Here, adult women in their 30s and 40s are bypassing the typical luxury names. They don't look at price tags. They look at the soul of the garment. They notice the weight of the fabric, the subtle handcrafted details, and they make immediate decisions. This sudden success points to a fascinating cultural bridge, but it also raises a practical question of survival. Behind this wave is the quiet confidence of founder and chairman Yin Xiangwen. He started UOOYAA in Shanghai back in 2014, growing it into a massive name with around 100 stores. Now, Japanese artists, musicians, and trendsetters are wearing these pieces in high-profile music videos and television shows. The appeal lies in a delicate balance, blending high-street style with intricate handmade artistry. Yet keeping that delicate artistry alive in a world of rising production costs requires a very deliberate strategy. Creating hand-detailed fashion is becoming a luxury of its own as raw materials and labor costs surge globally. To protect this creative spirit, the brand is initiating a clever dual pricing strategy. They are splitting their collection into accessible entry-level pieces and ultra-premium, high-end collector items. At the same time, every piece for the Japanese market is personally selected and resized for local tastes. But localizing size is only the first step. The real challenge is weaving the brand directly into the fabric of traditional Japanese craft. To celebrate this new chapter, the brand has partnered with a master of traditional Japanese textiles. They took Kurume Kasuri, an ancient, highly protected hand-weaving and indigo dyeing technique, and fused it with modern, whimsical insect motifs. The result is a striking contrast of historic heritage and youthful playfulness. It shows that true style doesn't need to shout to be noticed. It simply finds a way to connect disparate worlds, laying the groundwork for a permanent physical home in Tokyo very soon. With eyes set on launching a dedicated street-level store in Tokyo's elite fashion hubs next spring, this journey is far from over. This movement represents a larger pattern of how global art and local heritage are redefining modern luxury. For those who appreciate the quiet confidence of unique storytelling through design, watching how these cultural elements continuously blend is incredibly rewarding. It shows that when one understands the deeper value of craftsmanship, the search for authentic expression never truly stops.